Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the best overlays for editing in CapCut. Using overlays can enhance your videos and add a professional touch. To use these overlays in CapCut, follow these general steps. First, click on the Import button and select the overlay file. Drag it onto the timeline above your main video clip. Adjust the size and position of the overlay in the preview window. Navigate to the right side menu and scroll down to look for blend mode. You can choose the appropriate blend mode according to your liking. Here are some of the best overlays for editing in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.